Hi friends, how are you? Today, in the next 10 minutes, I will show you how I made $2,000 in only 1 week, in 7 days. Look, I know on YouTube, on the internet, we have a lot of videos, courses talking about online business and making money online. But today, this video is special, is different. If you are following me, you know my main rule here on my channel is honesty. I don't share anything except if I tested, if I work with, and I share with you my results. So you will never find concepts here, you'll never find just talking, you will find real case studies, real experience, real examples. Believe me, this video is full of information, full of value, a lot of tips, tricks that I do in my online business that will help you be successful online. So don't miss any millisecond. Stay tuned. Everyone loves to see numbers, earnings, and dashboards and back ends. So let's start in the first 30 seconds and let me show you my dashboards, my earnings, everything, the numbers, to give you that motivation, proof that we are talking here about real stuff and not wasting our time. So here is my browser and I will start with the first website, impact.com. You can see I filtered from April 24 to April 30 and you can see I got payouts up to $70. The sales are 186. My commission is $70. If you go to the second website, cj.com, I filtered from 24 to 30 April. You can see the commission is $430. Again, another website, you will see here from April 24. This here, if you calculate these numbers, 126, 25, 24, 239, you will get $414. Write them down and calculate with me, you will see the numbers. The fourth website is Bluehost Affiliate Program, $100 in this week. Then I have Google AdSense. I filtered 24 to 30. You will see $347. Then I have my Academy, 24 to 30 April, $491. Then I have my freelancing services. I got $179 that week. If you go here to my Gmail account, you can see I got one sale from TubeBuddy, which is $4.5. If you go to my PayPal account, to this payment, you will see it's a payout from affiliate program. I got $33. I will show you everything later. What are these? Everything in detail in the upcoming minutes. So please stay tuned. This is only the proof. This is only the earnings. If you go to Share a Sale, other website, you can see I got only $6.86 the last week. If you combine them all, if you add them all, it will be around $2,000. So this is our dashboards, our earnings, everything for the last week. And by the way, I didn't show you my other income sources like on Udemy, on YouTube, on other stuff. I want to show you things that you can do. Everyone can do, any beginner can do. So this is the first part. These are my earnings. Let's now go and see in detail what are these, how I work, and much more tips and tricks. Of course, I'm not showing you this to brag and tell you, hey, I make money. Of course not. I'm showing you this just to tell you that you can do it. If you work properly, if you follow up properly, you can do it. You can build a successful online business. These numbers is to motivate you to start working online like many others who followed up and built a successful business following our free tutorials. So it's now your turn to be successful online. Now, to make things simple for you, when you want to work online, we have mainly 5 strategies. I explained this before just in 10 seconds. Number 1 is affiliate marketing. Number 2 is content creation. Number 3 is freelancing. Number 4 is SaaS business. And number 5 is online stores. Now, SaaS business, online stores is something maybe somehow advanced. I will go with the other 3 techniques and show you what I do here exactly. The first thing, I will rearrange this. I will take this here and take this here and this here. So we will start first with affiliate marketing. If you go here to impact.com, this website is an affiliate network. What is affiliate marketing? It's simply promoting a product for someone else and earning a commission. As an example, Amazon has a lot of products. You pick a product, you promote it. If someone buys the product, you will earn a commission. Impact is an affiliate network that provides you a lot of products and services that you can promote. If you want more details, I explained everything here on my channel in detail. This video is not a course because I already explained everything in detail. This video is to give you some tips that will help you be successful online. So here in Impact, you can see these are my earnings in affiliate marketing. The second website, it's also another affiliate network. It's called CJ.com, commissionjunction.com. The third website is DE-Bounce. What is DE-Bounce? It's simply an email validation software application. So what's the idea here? It simply has an affiliate program and everyone can start with. You just need to sign up, go here to affiliate section, and you can get this link to promote DE-Bounce. Super simple for beginners. For beginners, please focus very well. These websites, anyone can join. Just get the link, start promoting, and earn commissions, as you can see here in my table. The third website is something called GMass. What is GMass? If you go here to GMass, also GMass affiliate program is something that anyone can join, any beginner can join. You can go here to this link, gmass.co blog, affiliate program. Read this and see how you can join. It's super simple to join. Just send them an email and you can join the affiliate program. Get the link and start promoting, and you will earn commissions per month. As you can see here, in the last week, I got $33 from GMass. So this is another affiliate program. Then we have Bluehost. The last week, I made $100. And by the way, I explained in detail Bluehost, which is also a very, very good choice for beginners. No validations required, nothing required. You can just sign up and start. I explained in detail how to join and promote Bluehost for free without a website in my video last week. Full video about Bluehost. You can check in the description below. Then we have also Share a Sale. Share a Sale is also an affiliate network. And you can see here I joined multiple networks. And let me show you this small trick. I will click on SEMrush here, filter SEMrush, and you will see that SEMrush has an affiliate program that pays per lead, 0.01 per lead. I know it's not that big deal, but you can see I have a lot of 0.01s here. Whenever someone signs up using your link, you will earn a commission, even if he doesn't buy anything. Then we have TubeBuddy affiliate program. TubeBuddy, if you open it, you will see it's a tool for YouTubers. Let's sign in. You can see this is the affiliate link here. Also, TubeBuddy is a great place to start with. Just open it, copy this link, and you can start promoting. Please refer to my affiliate marketing playlist. I explained everything in detail, step by step, how to promote affiliate links, how to get links, how to join, best programs, and so on. So this is the first part about affiliate marketing. The second part is Google AdSense, making money from Google. You can see I make around $50 to $60 per day from Google. If you go here back to my channel, I have two videos. The first one is how I reached $20 per day, step by step. And like 2 weeks ago, I published a video on how I reached $50 per day from Google, following my tips and everything I did to promote and get more traffic to my website to scale up my earnings. So this is the second method, Google AdSense with content. And the third website is my academy. I sell online courses on Thinkific. Thinkific is a platform to create your online course. So if you have any skill you can teach, Thinkific or Teachable or Udemy is a great place to sell your courses. You can see in 1 week I made around $500. And the last website is my services website. If you open it here, just to show you this is a website where I sell my services, my gigs, like maybe Fiverr, like Freelancer or whatever. So here I sell my services and I made $179 last week. Let me tell you now how I promote affiliate links in just 1 minute. If you open my website here, heducate.com, you will see I create content. So if you go here to open my blog, my forums, and this page, web hosting and VPS deals or recommendations, just to show you this is my blog. If you open any article in any blog, you will see I have affiliate links in the articles here. And I showed you in one of my videos, you can see all these blue links are affiliate links, all these. And I showed you how I do this automatically. So in my website, all services that I join will automatically be linked with my affiliate links using a plugin called Pretty Links. Please refer to my video on how I do affiliate marketing. I shared a lot of tips that will help me automate affiliate marketing. Another thing is my forum. Forums is a great place to promote. You give value, you get value. So you can see here I have banner ads, and inside the forum also all the links will be automated, and I will link to my affiliate links in the forum. Forums is really a great place to grow your business, to promote anything, to interact with people, to engage with people, and to get content ideas and much, much more. Other web page is the deals page. Here I share some deals with people, and all these are affiliate links. If you go here to my resources page, all these are tools I use, and all these are affiliate links. I explained this in detail in my video about how to promote affiliate links for free. All these are free methods. Of course, we have also paid methods I explained before, but as a beginner, you can start only with the free methods. Please go and watch my affiliate marketing case studies playlist and affiliate marketing tutorials for beginners. You can do it. You can do it. Just watch, learn, and apply. And I'm here to help. You can go to the forum anytime and submit your questions. Ask anyone. I am active almost every single day to answer your questions. And don't forget also to join the Telegram channel where I engage every day with people, live chat on my Telegram channel. You'll find the link in the description below. Also, I'm here to help you. On the forum, on the Telegram channel, I'm here to help you. Or simply comment your questions below this video. About Google AdSense, I told you please refer to my videos on how I started with Google AdSense and how to make money from Google. I explained also step by step how to reach these numbers per day and how to make this number per week. Now for freelancing, also I have a full playlist, the Freelancing Pro series. I explained how to create services, how to promote services, how to get your first client, how to do everything. You just need to learn. This video is really just like a motivation. I really don't know why till now you didn't take any action. You have to take action. You have to start. You will be successful. Believe me, every week I get a lot of emails from people sharing me their success story, and this makes me really so happy. I am really waiting for your story, waiting for your email to tell me, hey Hassan, I am successful. I did it. I made my first sale online. I now have an online business. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for this email. I hope you enjoyed this small video sharing all the tips, all the websites I'm using. If you have any questions, anything, don't forget please the forums, the comments, the Telegram channel. I will be here to help you. Thank you and see you later.